In a shock announcement, Instagram takes a big swing at YouTube. We talk about everything you need to know and what it means for your business in Beard News. G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett. I'm the owner of Gingerbeard Media, and overnight Instagram announced its new platform, IGTV, and it seems to move Instagram into direct competition with YouTube. So Instagram have introduced IGTV. It will not only be its own app, but also integrated into the existing Instagram platform. And just like YouTube, anyone will be allowed to upload content to the platform. Content will be allowed to range from 15 seconds to 1 hour. However, you need a big following to reach that format, so for most people it's going to be around 10 minutes. Now, we've already seen in recent times what stories did to Snapchat, so it'll be interesting to see what this longer length content will look like when it goes up against YouTube. So the first question is, why make this move? And the answer is actually pretty simple. A lot of teenagers, that younger demographic, are moving away from TV. In fact, TV has seen a decline of around 40% in just the last 5 years. But really the biggest change we're seeing between the two platforms is that obviously YouTube and TV are in a landscape format, and the new Instagram TV is in a portrait format. And aside from the audience, having videos in a portrait format really fits a mobile, which is what a lot of people are watching on now. So what does this mean for your business with Instagram TV? Well, you've got an opportunity, another channel to get content out on. You can really push longer pieces of content out to people. And looking to the future, not only do you have opportunity to have your own content, but you can use your content as ads. Now, the platform doesn't have ads at the moment, but you can rest assured it will. So imagine an hour-long piece of content running, and perhaps adverts are at the start or during, and we're already seeing that on YouTube, and it's starting to come through on Facebook, so it's coming, trust us. But that would really give your business an opportunity to start advertising to specific demographics, because each of those Instagram channels is going to be very specifically focused. So if you were to run a cake business, for example, there isn't too much of a jump between you then putting your adverts into a cake IGTV channel. Now, the only downside that we can see at the moment is that we're moving from a landscape to a portrait picture. And whilst that sounds like a small and minute change, from a shooting perspective, it changes quite a lot. At the moment with IGTV, there is no option to go live. So whilst you can shoot on your phone, we're expecting to see most of the content to be professionally shot. And when we're delivering video, we're trying to use the same video content for lots of different platforms. So for most websites, YouTube and that sort of thing, it will be in that landscape format. Now, when we switch to Instagram, it's square, which isn't too bad to crop, but when we start moving to portrait, it can really lose the outside of the image. So that means we're getting to a point where we almost need to shoot specifically for the platform that the content is going to be used on. And if you're shooting video for your business, you need to start thinking about that. So there you go, there's our initial thoughts on IGTV. IGTV, the individual app, is already out and you can download it. It is rolling out across both Apple and Android in the next few weeks, so you can expect your phones to be updating shortly. As ever, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you have found this video of use, then we run a Facebook group, How to Shoot Video for Your Business, where we talk about this sort of stuff, as well as tips, tricks, and strategies for shooting media in your business. Please feel free to join up. If you've got any questions or comments, I'd love to hear them. I'll see you in the next video. Gingerbeard Media. Get on, beard.